Hello and good evening. Today's daily video topic is about the tissues. In today's video, I will talk about the tissues in human with types of tissues and with their functions. Tissues, which are also called as building blocks of organs. These are the group of cells which are similar in structure and function similar in structure and function, that is, they look the same and work the same. Tissues work together to perform activities or functions. In simple other words, cells of similar structure and function combines together to form tissues, and organs are made up of two or more tissues. The study of tissue is called histology, and the study of disease related to uh, tissue is called histopathology. Now, types of tissues. There are mainly four types of tissue found in human body. First, epithelial tissue. Second, connective tissue. Third, muscle tissue. And fourth, nervous tissues. Epithelial tissues. Epithelial tissues. The all layers of organs or body organs or body surface are lined by a group of cells or tissues which are called epithelial tissues. These tissues, epithelial tissue is classified are further classified based on the number of layers. First, simple epithelium, and second, uh, stratified epithelium. First, simple epithelium is made up of single layer and are further classified based on their shapes. Simple epithelium consists of three types. Simple squamous epithelium uh, means uh, flat shape, found in blood vessels. Simple cuboidal epithelium, that is cube shaped, found in kidney. Simple columnar epithelium, uh, column shaped, that is column shaped, found in stomach. If simple epithelium is involved in absorption, secretion, and sensation. The second type of epithelium is stratified epithelium. These are made up of multiple layer of cells. These are stratified epithelium are further classified uh, based on their shape. Stratified squamous epithelium found in skin. Stratified cuboidal epithelium found in sweat glands, and stratified columnar found in male urethra. Male urethra. It provides protection and support. There is another type of stratified epithelium called transitional epithelium. These are specialized epithelium which have property of stretch and change in shape. These are found in urinary bladders. Connective tissue. These are these are the connect these connective the connective tissue is tissue that connects, supports, binds, or separates other tissues. It binds cells and organs of body together and functions in protection, support, and integration of all the body parts. Now, types of connective tissue. First type of connective tissue is blood. Blood is fluid connective tissue which is responsible function in transportation of gas, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. Second, ligament and tendons. These are dense connective tissues that bones to bone, joins bones to bone and bones to muscle. Ligaments joins bone to another bone, and tendons joins bone to the muscles. Third type of connective tissue is areolar tissues, also called loose connective tissues. These are found in between cells, uh, cells and muscles, found in and as well as in blood vessels. Fourth type of connective tissue is adipose tissue. These are also loose connective tissues and mostly called as fat cells or adipocytes. These tissues stores fats, provides padding and support. Fifth type of connective tissue is bone. Bone, these are hard tissues that forms the skeleton of the body. These are vascular in nature. It provides vascular in nature and it provides structural support and framework. It protects the internal organs. Now, sixth type of connective tissue is cartilage. These are uh, soft tissues that provides flexibility and stretchability and are found in nose, nose and ears. Third type of tissue which is found in human body is muscle tissues. Muscle tissue is made up of excitable cells, that is, cells which are capable of responding to stimulus. These muscle tissues are fibrous in nature. All muscle tissues have four basic uh, properties. First is excitability, means responding to stimulus. Contractility means shortening shortening property. Third, excitability, extensibility means stretchable property. And fourth, elasticity means returning to original form from after contraction. Now, types of muscle tissue. There are three types of muscle tissues found in human body. First is cardiac muscle tissue. Second, smooth muscle tissue, and third is skeletal muscle tissues. Cardiac muscle tissues means heart muscles. These are special form of muscle tissues, which are used to pump blood throughout the body. That is circulation of blood by heart muscles. These are involuntary. Cardiac muscles are involuntary in nature, which is not. These are not in our will. Second type of muscle tissue is smooth muscle tissue. These are muscle tissues that are involuntary in nature and contract slowly and automatically. These smooth muscles are found in walls of stomach, intestine, and blood vessels. It is responsible for moving food, blood, and waste throughout the body. Skeletal. Third muscle tissue is skeletal muscle tissue. These are these muscle tissue are voluntary in nature, which can be controlled by us. These muscle tissues are attached to bones by with the help of tendons. Skeletal muscle tissues are also are responsible for walking, walking, running, locomotion, etc. Skeletal muscle tissues provides support and postures. Fourth type of tissue which is found in human body is nervous tissue. These are special type of tissues that is found in nervous systems, which is our brain, spinal cord, and nerves. These are responsible for transmission of electric signals, that is nerve impulses the from the nerves to the brain, and from the brain to the other parts of rest of the body for control and coordination. Nervous tissue consists of nerve cells or neurons called. These are which are responsible for the transmission of the impulses. Nervous tissue consists of neurons or nerve cells. And structure of nerve cells is composed of axon, dendrites, myelin sheath, and axon terminus. Dendrites are part which receive the impulse from other neuron or stimulus. Axon uh, axon part, these part transmit impulse transmit impulses away to another neuron. Myelin sheath, it is a layer which is covered on the axon and provides support to the axon. Axon terminal, it is the end part of cell where other dendrites are connected.